Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Keller Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in kwlens.com/login and press enter on your keyboard. To log into your Keller Mortgage account, you will now need to enter your username or email address. Type in your correct username or email address and then type in your correct password on the next field. Make sure to type in the credentials associated with your mortgage account. You can also sign in with the help of your Microsoft account. Click on this Sign in with Microsoft option if you've previously logged in using the same option. After you are done, click on the Login button, which will then log you into your Keller Mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.